one now. Leave me make I go work now.
Amadi, there is no work. Public holiday. It is you and I in this house today. Allah the rock.
Afama, leave me. My customers, they wait for me. I don't like this kind of thing.
They should wait till tomorrow, Amadi. They should wait. What is going on?
Afama, leave me.
What is all this?
Afama,
What
leave
is
me.
happening? Afama, what is it this morning? What is your problem? Mama, don't push me. This is husband and wife matter.
Mama. What do you mean by husband and wife matter? And moreover, why is the door locked?
No, be Afama. Afama locked doors. Person no go enter. Person no go come out. Make you leave me. Make I go up. People never walk the way.
They should wait for you. Yes, I love it. Nobody will go anywhere.
Enough, Wala.
Hey, Mama,
what is your problem?
Mama, please don't.
Can't you be tired of quarreling? Every day one problem or the other.
Mama,
quarrel. Eh?
Mama, better make my son. Mama, I will push you down. No. I will push you down.
The one no go take now. That will stop my mama.
Eh? Oh yeah, off the son. Off the son. Leave my son. Leave my son.
Mama, leave this thing where Uncle Kolo they tell you. No need where person go begin say everything where he gets. Tell na me you won't do am for. Na me still tell you make you leave am. No need say person go just come and sell everything.
Come, there's something we need to talk about. Follow me.
Again? Which one be something to talk? No be you come and say make we talk. When me and you just talk now.
Me and you just talk now. This one is another talk. I just remembered it. We have to talk about it. Now. Follow me. Let's go.
I know they follow you. Get waiting me and my mama they talk. I bet. Later we go talk.
This chair will enter on first. We will talk about it together. Sure, we are families. Let us discuss together.
Afama, what be this one now?
I said come inside, let me talk to you. You said no. You want to discuss with your mother. Let us discuss it together as family.
Afama, what is the meaning of this? What did you just say?
Mama, you spoke. So Mama, you can talk. When I came in here quietly, I was standing here. I said, Amadi, come. I just remember something. Now. You did not say anything. Now you want to talk. Mama, don't talk. Leave us. Let us discuss this thing together as husband and wife. Amadi, some.
Afama,
Mama,
what is the meaning of this? Why is it that one cannot have peace again in this house? Because my son carried his hard-earned money. His hard-earned money to pay your dowry and married you as a wife. Then, so why got that?
Mama, tell your son to follow me. Amadi, follow me. Let us go inside and talk. That is what I said.
Afama. How many times I call you?
Amadi, you called me 100 times. You called me 1 million times. It doesn't matter how many times you have called me, Amadi. Follow me inside. Let us talk.
Afama, you dey find my trouble, oh. You dey find my trouble.
Akiko.
Go. Please, I beg you, follow her. Go and talk with her. Later we can finish our discussion. I don't have the strength for her troubles this morning. I don't have strength for trouble. Because so we are the wrong.
Amadi, are you hearing your mother? Your mother is calling me a troublemaker. You're not going to say anything up here. Mama, you're calling me a troublemaker. Just tell your son to follow me inside. Amadi.
You don't know why I leave you. You don't know why I leave you for this life.
Hey!
You don't know.
Amadi. Where is your son? I'm talking to you. You're not answering me. Where is he? Oh, Pinalomaya. Now. They will say I'm insulting my mother-in-law. Because where is Amadi? Where is your son? You will not answer me up here. You won't answer me.
Silence, they say, is the best answer to a fool. That is what you are, a fool.
I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala, I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there.
I am going straight to your shop, Amadi, and we are there. No, Afoma, your mother ignores me and makes me look like a bad woman, like I'm a barking dog. I am backing up here. Afoma is coming. You think you can dodge me? Amadi, I am not a bad woman. I am coming to your shop. Afoma is coming. Straight to your shop, Amadi.
Bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala, I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala, if we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her trouble maker, trouble.
Amadi, what did I do? Eh? What did I do to you and your mother that both of you have sworn to just make me suffer for nothing? Amadi, do you know I'm just coming back from your car wash place?
Where till you go find for my car wash?
Hey! Amadi, that is the only thing you have to say.
Why you no wait for me to come back?
You cannot open this your mouth to apologize to your wife.
Apologize for waiting.
Hey!
Why you no wait for me to come back? Where they shout my name, they walk everywhere. Why you no wait make I come back?
My mother is sick, oh. My mother is very sick and I need money. I need up to 6 or 7 or 10,000 naira. Let me buy drugs and go and send to Mama.
What happened to the money I give you yesterday?
Amadi, I need money. I need money. Give me some money because
I don't get money.
There's no money on ground. Amadi, my mother will not die because I married a poor man. My mother will not die. You will go and look for that money and provide for me today. Today, Amadi. Today. Get that stand there, Amadi. Today. I'm not here.
Don't be only today. The only thing where is having for this life now food and money. The one I give you yesterday, you don't squander and you don't come back. Say you want more.
Amadi, my brother, what do you go understand? Say, marriage now for better for worse.
God, they talk this thing. What thing you may be for better for worse? Because they know you, they wear the shoe. You don't know where they pay you.
Yeah? Now because of the shoe, I make it they hit me. Now me buy the shoe give you. Amadi, go and marry your wife. Now you see Afoma, you say you like Afoma, say now you where you go marry. We follow you go marry him. No, they hit me. Oh.
Which kind of thing where I put myself? You know they tell me go marry. You where everybody do all our age grades for this village don't marry. You will be say we tell you make you marry, no marry. Wait, you agree? No be to dey spoil small girls for this village. The other time, if you no carry them go on compete, you go carry them go backyard. Run and they do hide and seek. If I shoot you, die. Bah! If I shoot you, die. Bah! Now so I catch you under step with Mama Nkechi Pikin. He say una dey act action film under step. They spoil small children. You no even suppose give person advice because you no get anything where you want them.
Okay, that day where you catch me, I am taking my time. Bend down, select. I want to select my wife, my precious wife. If I call her mommy, you go call me daddy.
I better come up for you.
See, go and marry your wife, oh.
No, they tell me that.
It's not matter of leave this thing.
Because I tell you.
Why you not gonna tell me?
Mama, I'm suffering. No. I'm suffering in that house. Oh. Your Afoma is in hell. Eh? Mama, and his mother is not helping matters at all.
Are you serious?
Yes. I'm very serious. Mama, you know I will not lie to you now. Eh? That woman is not giving me peace. Every time, Afoma, leave my son. Afoma, you will kill my son. Afoma. And my name is always on her lips.
Yeah? Afoma?
Mama.
Afoma?
Mama.
Do not allow any human being to frustrate you.
Bana.
Don't you ever. Are you listening to me?
Yes, now.
Mama,
that one is never going to happen. Human being will intimidate me. Mama, that one will never happen over my dead body. Mama, do you know that I saw hell before I took that 5,000 naira from him I sent you last week? Hey! Amadi said he didn't have any money on him, but trust me, I made sure I brought out the money from him.
Good.
Yes.
I trust you, my daughter.
No.
What is it? What is 5,000 naira?
Ordinary 5,000 naira. Ordinary 5,000 naira to give to my own mother was a problem. Mama, the mother is disturbing me. The mother is my main problem in that house. I'll break her leg. Ha.
Good. Afoma.
Mama.
Don't worry. I'm coming to that house. You see that house? I am coming to that house. Volcano, I'm moving. Full force.
Hey, Mama,
it is not going to be mother-in-law versus mother-in-law. Not son-in-law, not daughter-in-law again. Mother-in-law versus mother-in-law. And then we'll dig it out.
He is not the only one that has a mother. Mama, come with thunder, come with storm, come
everything.
with wind, come with everything.
Don't you worry, I am standing behind you, Gidigba, like a rock.
Like a rock.
I'm not sitting there, I'm standing like a rock. Behind you.
Mama, you need to come.
So don't worry.
You need to come soon. Imagine this morning, I told Amadi to give me money. Let me complete the little money I've been saving to buy just the cheap common human hair. Amadi refused. But I told him today that money must come out this
Of course.
His mother wanted to say, leave my son, leave my son. I said, no problem. By the time I come back today, if they don't give me that money, I will give them hair.
You don't worry. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. We are going there.
Yes.
Full force.
Mama,
I'm moving. If you see the force I will use in coming, when I get to where that woman is,
run into her.
Both head and leg. What do they call that thing? Is it monkey in the monkey sandal or sandal in the monkey sandal? Which one you want? I will give it to her. Left, right, and center. What is wrong with her? Is she mad?
She's mad, Mama. She's mad.
Fine. This is going to be a football field. When I get there, in May 12, she will go this way. Don't worry. I'm coming.
Yes.
That woman will see me in full force.
My husband is not back and it's unusual. I've been calling him on his phone and he's not picking. Do you know where he is? Or did he tell you where he's going to?
Afoma. Azukwarogazo. Have you no manners? This your head? Is this Komkom head? Huh? Can't you see I'm eating? Or were you sent to disturb me so that this food will choke me?
Mama, why are you cursing me now? Now, did I do something wrong? I only asked you about your son's whereabouts and you're already raining insult on top of my head. I don't like you too, Mama.
Afoma, I don't know where he is. You know where?
You don't know where he is. Mama, you think I don't know that you know where he is? You think that Afoma does not know why Amadi is running? I know why he is running, no? He is running because he doesn't want to give me the money I begged him to give me to complete the money I'm saving to buy one human hair. Now, that is why he's running up here. No problem. Amadi is going to come back to this house. And Afoma will be here waiting for him. I go nowhere. Apona, I am here.
You will continue waiting for him till thy kingdom come. Wait on.
Sucker this man. But Amadi has not returned to this house since yesterday that I asked him to give me money to complete for the woman hair I wanted to buy. And I've been calling him. Let me try to call him again. See. It's not picking. Amadi, you are not picking. And I know you are seeing this call. You're just avoiding my call. No problem. No problem. This woman must tell me where Amadi is.
Amadi. 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 Don't tell me you're still washing my car. Eh?
Okay, I never finish. Yeah, now him I won't wash now.
I don't get it. What happened?
Now water be no day, so I go pump water.
You go pump water. I don't get it. You by what time? What happened early hours that you used to pump water here?
I be one pump and come see say fuel no day for gen. Now I go buy fuel, come back. But I don't finish now. Now just make I.
Hey, don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Rubbish.
Hello?
Hello, Amadi?
What's happened?
Amadi, so you've been seeing my call and you've been avoiding it, okay? Just because I asked you to give me small money to complete the money I've been saving to buy human hair. Amadi, you have been seeing my call and you've been ignoring it since yesterday. Why? Eh? What's the meaning of this? Wait, where are you?
No, they ask me where I am. Where are they? No concern you. I don't carry myself go where you no go use wahala kill me. Make I no die before my time.
What exactly do you mean by that? Eh?
No, they ask me anything. In fact, make I tell you, I dey for city. As me and you they talk now, na city I dey. Yeah? So make you no even bother find me. Where I dey now, you no go fit find me. Make you just dey where you dey. Make I dey here, jeje. If I die, say I marry wife.
Hello, Amadi. This man got the call on me. Hello.
I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she dey, wahala go dey. I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she dey.
Wonders they say will never end.
Yeah, why? Does it mean you are laughing at? Walking at church?
I'm laughing at myself.
So you and your son think you can use my head up, yeah? Both of you think you can use my IQ, me that I have sense. Listen, let me tell you. Better tell your son, if he likes, let him run to Bodoibo. Let him run to the moon. He will still come back. Agaracha will come back. And I will be here waiting for him because Agaracha must come back.
So you think you can kill my son for me? Okay, you will not kill him. I'm all wrong here.
Mama, you better tell him to start running. Tell him to run because I will find him wherever he runs to. Even my eyes are everywhere. I am going to see him. Tell him he doesn't have money to go to the city and I will catch him. I will find him. It's a matter of time, Mama. Just tell him I will find him.
Find him and bring him back to me. You know that? My son will not die because he married a troublesome lady like you. Omamme, Anompama, Anofia, Frogod. You will not see him anyway.
Oh my God. Wait a minute. Am I living with an extra person in this house that I'm not aware of? Ngozi! 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 Ma! Mother, you called me. Oh yes, I called you. I need you to explain to me in a simple language what happened to the full pot of soup we made this morning.
We chop them now.
Eh? Did you say we? No, but who are the we in my house?
Madam, Oga, Amadi and me.
Fine. How many people did you just counted? 4. Okay, fine. So you mean to tell me, factually speaking, that 4 people, 4 of us, finished a full pot of soup with beef, with all the whole meat inside? Because I can still remember vividly the amount of food I had with my husband this morning. And ever since then, we've not eaten again. Yes! Ngozi, hold on a minute. Are you trying to tell me that you finished the remaining soup and all the meats inside?
No, I beg, I don't go like you. I beg, no.
Ngozi, wait a minute. Did you fall from the sky?
No.
Why are you eating like as if you want to kill yourself? Do you want to commit suicide?
No.
Are you pregnant?
No, God forbid. No.
Oh my God.
I beg, I don't vex. I beg.
Really?
Again.
Girl, you need to help yourself. Gosh.
say madam na bad person now, the kind slap where I supposed chop. Hey! Now that extra 3 plate of food where I give Amadi. Hey! Amadi, take time, oh. Take time, oh.
Switched off. Has it gotten to this point? Amadi will now switch his phone off because he doesn't want to talk to me.
Nonsense. Person never start to work. Person never really start to work. Just work. Just few days last time. Then they come back and send money. No only married man waiting for this life. Well, I'm not going to start. I'm not going to even do the work, reach how many days. Then they come and send money. Not only send money, not to send fire. Only goes fire and I will send for them. I don't blame them. I don't just blame anybody.
My husband has abandoned me and run to the city, leaving me his wife here. Is it good? Is this not wickedness? Is this not selfishness? Is this man not a very wicked man? But God will punish you. God will punish you for me. Let me just try it. Can we take it? Hello? Amadi has started though. Amadi is trying me. Now I've been calling Amadi. It will ring. He will not pick. It will ring. Amadi will switch off. I know you are trying to, but I don't know if you try, if it's still switched off in your phone.
Is that supposed to be the greeting? Afoma, I am not ready for your quarrel this afternoon. Allow me to have peace. You know, go.
Mama, is that the only thing you're going to say? Good afternoon, ma. Mama, where is Amadi now? He's not picking his call. His phone is switched off.
Don't you think that your constant nagging could be the reason why he doesn't pick your call? Like I said earlier on, allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to rest.
I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala, go there. I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there.
Babe, you know, something weird has really been going on in this house. Like, I'm trying to figure it out.
What is the matter?
Baby, it's about Ngozi. You know, she's been behaving strangely lately. 1 minute, she's here. The next minute, I will literally have to scream my lungs out before she can hear me. And then I notice our food. It no longer lasts as it used to these days. Babe, it's not funny. Am I sounding crazy?
Not really, babe. What you said is right. I noticed same with Amadi. He's hardly in his duty post these days.
Oh, you noticed too?
Yes.
It's beginning to make sense to me right now. You know, I didn't want to jump into conclusion, but I think I get it. Do you think the both of them might be having something together?
Well, That I do not know. But all I know is that I want my baby to
Come on, no, leave me. I'm being serious right now.
Afoma, you are back. Please bring that seat and help me pick the beans. No gathering.
Mama, these beans can wait because I am tired. I am very tired. I am tired of everything. I am particularly tired of the attitude your son Amadi has been giving me. How can your son abandon me, his wife, and run away to the city without leaving me with anything he did not drop? Odemma!
Afoma, I have been tolerating you, this your nonchalant attitude, your insultive words, because of my son. If not, eh? Do you think it is easy to go to the city and make it immediately? It should not be fair. Allow my son to be focused so that he will make it out there and come back a big man.
Ma, say it's easy. It is very easy, because if it's not easy, Amadi would have sent for me to come to the city and help him. But because he's there enjoying himself, he does not need me. That was why he abandoned me here. Mama, that was how my first love abandoned me. Now Amadi has abandoned me without anything, and the worst is that he married me and imprisoned me and left me here. Mama, is it fair?
Don't you think it's because of this your nonchalant attitude, because of this your insultive character, that makes them to run to the city? Change your ways. You will see my son coming back to you.
This is what you have to say. You will support him as usual now. Afoma is the problem. You will support your son, but no problem. Okwa City will contain all of us. Because that city, I will still get there. But when I get there, I will show Amadi. I have plans, and I will soon execute my plan. It will be surprise to everybody. I will get to that city and scatter everywhere.
Afoma, come back here. Come back here. My son will not die because he married you. And I will not die because my son married you. But if this is your prank to leave these beans, I will not cook and then you will start. You must do it. I'm leaving it here. You come and cook this thing, come and pick it.
Hello? Yes, sir. Just hold on, I'll send someone to meet you. I'm sorry, sir. Just hold on. I'll send someone immediately. Yes. They will meet you now, okay? Okay, fine, sir. Don't just hold on there, please. 1 minute, okay? Thank you.
So poor me. My own so poor me. I say make her ask her. Why you sweet like this?
You like cow?
Tell me, I no go tell anybody. Why you sweet like this?
So you like cow?
I don't like an how they ask you. So poor me. Too sweet. For night, you come back.
Come.
Amadi. What's wrong with you? Huh? What?
No, you get rats, what?
You the pursue rat? And the rat block your ears, right?
No, you don't block my ear. Now. Where you call? Now I hear. I come say my answer my organ.
Be careful with me. Well, I want you to go to the market and get my laptop charger, a new one. You know John, right? John's shop. Go there, tell him that I need a new HP Pavilion charger. Did you hear what I said? HP Pavilion charger.
HP Pavilion.
I said, go to the market, tell him that you need HP Pavilion charger.
It's
okay. When you get there, tell him to call me. Okay? I've sent the money to him, but this is for your transport. Take this for your transport. Tell him to call me. I don't want you to come back here with a bad charger. Did you hear what I said? Tell him to call me. What did I say?
Tell him to call me. You hear what I said?
Hey,
what you they do for here?
I'm already the car washer.
My point of correction. I know be car washer again. What I be now? I importer and exporter.
Look at so. What you the import? With this baby, I been approach the import.
You see what thing they do now where they village. When I say big man not to carry motor, they shame. You know say as you they see me so. I get 5 shops for main market.
You know me now.
I get duplex for this town where they see so. Because I climb back.
I beg help your brother. Now work I dey find. I dey look for job.
You dey find job.
I dey find job.
Ha. If you not see me here now, you go know say you dey find job. I beg where you dey stay for here? Where you dey go?
See, I don't even get destination. I just dey waka.
Now so when I come, I don't get destination till I find destination. I'll make you dey go. Eh? You go find destination one day. Yeah? After we go see first. Big man, wahala. Make I not go shop. I dey go shop.
This one Amadi is sounding so serious. Could it be true? There is only one way to find out. Are you not seeing me here or are you blind? Are we quarreling?
It is you that is blind. Blind Batimos. You can see the from. Eh? You saw an Ijele like me. You pretended like you did not see me like a blind man. You went there to be just so that I will waste my saliva. And what is it? Okay,
Onye Melugi Ijele. I for might know that you are mad, but I don't know that you have bad mouth.
It is your mother that is there that is mad. It is your generation that is mad. In fact, both of you unborn children are mad. It is your mother that is there that is mad. Oh, yeah, Allah.
Ugo. Yeah, Mama.
Okay, ma.
Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hey.
How are you?
Mama, I'm fine. How are you coping?
As you can see, I'm fine. Eh? I've not been seeing you around. Hope all is well.
Mama, all is well. Oh. Mama, I went to the city. Actually, that's why I'm here. I saw your son, Amadi.
My son?
Yes.
How is he? Hope he's okay.
Amadi is fine.
My own Amadi?
Your own Amadi.
Hey!
Mama, Amadi is now a big man. I'm telling you, Amadi owns a very big mansion with 2 shops. No more boy, Kirikiri. Ogasa.
Ugo.
Mama.
Did you see this with your eyes, Ko?
Mama, I saw Amadi with my own eye.
Amadi one. Hey! Himela. Okaka. Onye berama. Himela.
Mama, Amadi.
Himela. Nah, this is a great and good news. Wait. Come and sit down here. Mama. Let me prepare special meal for you.
Mama, don't worry. There is no need for that. I was actually going to see one of my friends, and I said, let me come and give you this great news. I know you will love it.
You might forget me. Come back next time. I will prepare a delicious and special meal for you.
Mama, it's not next time.
This is good news.
It's not next time. I will come back very soon.
I am waiting. Soonest.
Mama,
So it was good news Ugo was going to bring for me, but Afoma, be patient. He has the address of Amadi. How am I going to get this address now? I couldn't have gone far now. I'll go and Kago.
Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her troublemaker, trouble na her food. If we call her wahala woman, wahala na her food. Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala.
This one you are running like a rabbit that his house just caught fire. What is pursuing you?
Did you fly? I just came out from the house and I didn't see you again.
Afoma, whether I fly or I jump is none of your business. Why are you looking for me?
I wanted to apologize to you. Please, I'm sorry. I was in a very bad mood though. A bad mood.
Okay. You was in a very bad mood. And you decided to transfer the aggression to me. Innocent to go.
I'm sorry. Now I'm sorry. Biko, let us put this thing behind us. Biko, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, this thing now is not behind us. Bye-bye.
Cherukwa no go. Hey, una dig us so. See, I overheard you said you know where my husband is.
Yes, Amadi your husband. When I met Amadi, Amadi was...
Wait. Calm down. Look, I'm not interested in how you met him or where. I just want to know his exact address. Give it to me, oh?
You want me to give you Amadi's house address?
Bam, that's all.
Okay, no problem. I have to go to my house. Then I will now write it down. I'll give it to you.
Hey, must you go to the house and write it down? Can't you remember it and just say it?
Don't stress me. I don't have his house address offhand. When I get to my house, I have to lie down, sleep, wake up, think. Before I will now write it down. If you want it, no, I will give you wrong address.
Bow.
You go to Kano or Sokoto.
Okay, no problem. I'll buy you more too.
I know one more.
Don't.
I know one gala.
If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her troublemaker, trouble na her food. If we call her wahala woman, wahala na her food. Day in day out, apart to love, Afoma the nagging wife. She is troublesome, child. Afoma, you know one give and respect. Afoma, not to talk of peace of mind. Afoma,
Afoma, Afoma.
Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she go, wahala go there. Afoma wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she go, wahala go there.
Afoma.
If we call her nagging woman, no, you not make mistake. If we call her nagging woman,
Where has this girl gone to? Eh? Is it because I told her that we will be going to the farm today? That was the reason she just disappeared. Nsobadiro, Agaracha must come back. You must go and come back and still do that work. Nsobadiro. Eh? This girl. She can never be useful to anyone. All she knows is to shout, shout, shout.
Amadi, don't touch me.
See the name you're calling me Amadi. Amadi is sounding like a Britain name. Stop telling me not to touch you because it's not possible. There is no way I will stop touching you. You see, in this house that we are living, it is not possible that me, Amadi, will not keep touching you.
Amadi, listen to me.
Amadi.
Amadi, do you know what you have done? Do you know?
The only thing I've done in this life, the only crime that I know, say me, I don't commit is because love. The way I take love you, you know, say you no go understand.
Amadi,
the way I'm saying it, you know.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. I'm not check up on my.
And I know say this thing where you talk now, na joke. But na very expensive joke for afternoon. They know they do that kind of joke for afternoon.
You are who is joking?
They joke. They joke.
Do I look like I'm joking to you? I said I am pregnant.
Make you know be say this thing when you talk now, say you mean am. You know mean am, abi?
How? Amadi, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant for me? No talk this thing when you talk now. Because who they responsible for which pregnant? Because the way they do sometimes, maybe say if they send you go buy something, you stay long. You dey stay long. Where make me tell you say, be like say you dey do something for outside.
So what is that supposed to mean?
What is supposed to mean? Say who they responsible?
Amadi, is you. Nginwa, oge ị na-enye m ịmarọ. Eh?
How you go say we ready?
You are the one who is responsible.
They use your voice for this thing when you talk. How you go say na me they responsible? That thing where I just do 1, 2, 3. As I put them, come out and put again, come out, put another one. Maybe that time where me I come. So that's small thing what I do. Now you say for who responsible?
Amadi, the only thing I'm here for is for us to find solution. So they
talk this thing where they talk. As they talk and say the solution for waiting. I don't get any solution what I want bring. So I don't get any solution.
I don't tell you finish you. You no consign me. You did not know that you have no solution when you were giving it to me. Okay, then you won't have solution.
She is troublesome. You know one give and respect. Why? Not to talk of peace of mind. I found my wahala, bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there, wahala go there. I found my wahala.
Madi, all these things you are saying, I am done saying what I'm saying.
Twallow knows the kanga.
If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her trouble,
Who is that person? Down.
Amadi, I am the mad person. Oh yeah, allow you to get there. I am the one, Amadi. Oh yeah, the browser.
Now the wrong planet it is. Make you go to.
Amadi. Amadi, come on, Batago. Amadi.
Where you from? Bring tumbler, come person out.
Amadi, I will drink wine. This is my house. I will drink wine. Amadi, open the gate for your wife. Open the gate. Don't forget, Amadi.
Wait first. How you carry located?
Me pay gate.
How you carry located?
I told Mama I will find you. That I am worse than FBI up here. I will find you and I have found you. Open the gate, Amadi.
Chief here, you go 4 person gate.
Amadi. Amadi.
Wait there first. Wait there. Look.
Amadi. Was that a woman I saw? Was my eyes spinning me? Eh?
How you carry locate here?
Amadi, was it a woman I saw?
Let's start from.
if we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her nagging woman, you know make mistake. If we call her
How you carry locate? I took my bath.
It is true. I am here now. I am here. Amadi, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you, Amadi. Hey! I am here now. Hey! Amadi,
Excuse me. Are you lost or something? Who are you?
It is you and your generation unborn that is lost in Jesus' name. Amen. Hey!
Excuse me.
Excuse you. So it is you. Kiwakanaya. Dibiota. You have gone to your coven and tied my husband here in the city to forget his marital wife. He's in jail in the village because of your prayer. It's a bad job. I am here now. I am here to possess my possession. So you will go inside because I better in the very people and you get out of my house. Also.
Wait a minute. Who is this idiot and who even allowed you into my house? Who are you?
Fucking idiot. Eh? It is you and your generation that is an idiot. You are a fool. Amadi! I have seen it all. My God has exposed you. I have seen everything, Amadi.
See, this place don't be feeling where you go come they shout for you. You know where you did. They shout for you.
Amadi, if you know what is good for you, go back inside there. Go inside and tell that Akuna. Tell that harlot to pack her things and get her Doye Wuna there.
Who be Akuna?
Okay, you want to... Hey. Amadi! You want to pretend like you don't know me, Uba? Tell her to get out.
Who is
Tell her
this
to
mad
leave.
woman and how did she get into this house?
Oh, the mad woman, sorry. This woman, now my wife for village. So she just come. You never tell where she come. I tell there, she come. So I even say after I go come introduce her to you.
Amadi! So it has got to this extent. Dibocha, you have done just to my house and you are not calling her madam. Eh?
Amadi,
Ma?
did you say this woman here is your wife?
That's what I see her more. By his grace.
This woman slapped me.
You dey mad? You dey mad? You dey mad? You don't kill me. You get my slap, my oga wife. You dey crazy?
Amadi, you're calling...
Amadi, you've already lost the job. I am here to tell you to pack all your belongings this minute and leave my house. I don't want to come back and see you.
Hey, madam, madam.
Wait, Amadi! Wait,
Shut up! Shut up! You don't make me lose my job. You don't crazy, so you don't carry this switch. Femi come here to make me lose my job.
Amadi, why are you wearing costume? Amadi, you can't deceive me. You cannot deceive me, Amadi. You want to deceive me, right? I know that this house is your house, and you want to deceive me so that I will go back to the village.
So, person wey get house for the village. Now this kind of clothes they wear.
Amadi, I put costume.
Person wey get in box in the complete or you know they complete.
Amadi.
The box in the complete or you know they complete.
Amadi.
God go punish you.
My
job.
Amadi.
Oh my God.
Amadi.
You want to use height to intimidate me?
Amadi.
Hello, babe. Hello? I cannot hear you. What's going on? Babe. Let me call you back. I'm driving, okay? Let me call you back. I'm driving. Hold on. Babe. Yes, let me call you back. I'm driving. Okay. It's not my fault. Or bro fault. Worst case, we'll go back to the village together. After all, I'm your wife.
It's you and your family members that will go back to the village. You don't dare Haji. Better way.
Amadi, what are you still doing in my house with your wife? I thought I asked you both to leave my house immediately. Do you want me to call the police? Should I call the police?
Hey, madam, I beg. No, madam, you never reach like that. I beg. If you sack me now, nowhere where I go feel fine work again. I beg.
Why you try Biko? Biko, forgive him. Biko, forgive us. These are not his fault. He left me in the village. That was why I came. Biko, Maria.
Woman, you had the nerves to slap me. It's really your gods for me.
I'm sorry.
Biko. Too bad.
I thought you were his mistress, that was why. Can you imagine? His friend lied to me and told me he has a mansion in the city. That was why I came, Biko. Wait again.
Madam, I beg. Forgive me. Make she they go back to Utela.
Madam,
my mansion.
We go back to village. I gonna together. Biko.
Madam, I beg. Please, I've been a...
You know what? You both should just get up and leave my sight immediately. Leave. Leave my sight!
What's he leave her sight?
Madam, is it sight or sight?
Okay, they say leave sight. Oh, yeah, leave sight.
Bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there. Wahala. I found my wahala. Bundle of trouble. Anywhere she there. Wahala. If we call her nagging woman, you not make mistake. If you call her nagging.
Why you dey shout? I don't tell you say here Nigerian.
Yeah,
no,
no,
for like this for here.
Yeah, Amadi, because I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
You see why I say make you go back village, you no go here. You're hungry. Me will never give myself food. Wait till me that. You don't hear me well.
What did you say?
Go back village. Go back village.
Amadi, I am not going to the village. Read my lips. I am not going to the village because it's for better for worse. So I am here to help you. Let us hustle together.
I don't tell you make you go back. See, okay. Who and Mama there for village? You leave Mama come here. They say you know they go.
Amadi, me and you will go back to the village to take care of Mama together.
You and who they
me
go
and
back?
You.
Go back village. Make you go head
Amadi,
down.
I'm not going anywhere. Amadi, come and look for food for me. I'm hungry.
Who
Amadi,
goes?
Game up here. Who goes where? Who goes where? Amadi, there's no. Amadi, look for food for me. Let me eat. Because.
Leave me make I do my work.
Amadi, I'm hungry.